that we are considering. So we look at this one, the further aspects. Now, what we stated the other time is that sine A plus B equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Then you have sine A minus B, which is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So hope you've not forgotten, I told you that sine retain its sign, that if it is plus, it's plus, if it's negative here. So, and for sine, it's sign that come first, then cos, then in the other side cos first, and so easy to memorize, and is the fundamental formula for all the topic, for all the subtopic under this topic. So cos also, cos A plus B, this will give you cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So for this one, this one is plus, is minus, so you know that cos, it has cos and sine. So that's that. Then for cos A minus B, here you have cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. So that's it. Then now let's move to multiple angle. We derived the other one the other time, the cos, the tan. Then I told you that tan is sine over cos. So if you want to look at the addition of tan, so it's going to be sine over cos. Then you divide through by cos A cos B. The same thing with the negative. So you arrive at the answer like tan. You arrive at the certain answer there, like here. You will have tan A plus B. So I told you it's sine A over sine B. So definitely you will have this one, and then you have this one and this one. So this divided by this, so you know that this when you divide this one by this, you will simply have tan A. So, and for this here you have tan A tan B over for this one, that's over 1 minus tan A tan B. So you have the other one like that also, that's tan A minus B, which is equal to here sine A and B. So for that you have tan A here, then minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. So we have that one like that. Now let's consider the multiple angle. Like if you have 60 is an example of multiple angle, like 2 angle 30. So if you can have 120, you can have, which is 2 double 60 and like so for this, what you have here is for multiple angle you have double angle, double angles. For double angle, what you have here is, instead of A and B, you can have like cos. I won't do everything, just parts. So like this one now, you have cos A 2A. Let's say you have cos 2A. Cos 2A is a double angle, as I told you, like 60, which is 30. So you can write this one as cos A plus cos A. So you still follow the other formula there. For this cos now, what you have is, this one will give you this cos A cos A. So this one is going to give you cos A minus sin A sin A. So A times cos A will give you cos square A minus sin square A. So that's it. In trigonometric identity, which I told you then, that cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. So if we express cos in terms of sine, that is cos square A equal to 1 minus sine square A, and you substitute this into this, you will have 1, it's equal to 1 minus sine square A, then minus sine square A. So you have 1 minus 2 sine square A. So your multiple angle of cos 2A will give you this. Of cos 2A will give you this. Or if we express this in terms of cos, so you have sine square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. So what are you going to have? You will have cos 2A will give you, that's cos square A minus, that's 1 into bracket cos square A. So you will have cos square A minus 1 plus cos square A. So what you have here is 2 cos square A minus 1. So that is it. You have the sign like that. So you have sign like, if you want to do sign, you do it like that also. So well, let's look at this one. Like sign, if I look at it like that, let's look at a triple angle. Triple angles. Like triple angle, let's look at sine A, sine 3A. If you want to express this one, sine 3A, this one can simply give you sine 2A plus A. So you can express it like this. Then you apply that, the method, the formula as it is. Here you have plus A, which is equal to sine 2A, this is 2A, cos A, then plus cos 2A sine A. So here is this and here is this. Then having this, you can equally, this one can equally at the same time equal to this. So you can put this one in bracket, A into bracket sine 2A, that's A plus A. So you can have this one as sine A plus A, then this one also sine A into bracket cos A plus A. So you have this one like this, then you expand just like the other one. you expand it also, cos A into brackets. Then this is sine plus, so you have sine squared. Here you have sine A cos A plus cos A sine A. That's that. Plus, look at this. Here you have, for this one, you have sine A into brackets. Expansion of this is going to give you cos A minus sine A sine A. So you have it like that. Then for this one is going to give you cos A into bracket. Look, sine A cos A is the same thing as cos A sine A, or the same thing. So here you can simply have this one as 2 sine A cos A, then plus, then here you have sine A into bracket. This one is cos A, that's cos square A minus sine square A. So you have this one like this. Then for this, you can multiply this one out, so you have 2 sine A cos square A plus, for this, now at this particular place, you can substitute for sine or cos like this. Here you have sine A into bracket cos square A minus, right? If you want to have them in terms of cos or sine, whichever. So like this, here you have cos square. You can put this one 1 minus cos square A. So you have this one like this. 1 minus cos square is sine. So you have this as 2 sine A cos square A plus sine A into cos square A minus 1 plus cos square A. So here you have 2 sine A cos square A plus, here you have sine A, that's sine A into bracket here you have cos this plus this, that's 2 cos square A, that's 2 cos square A minus 1. So this one will give you 2 sine A cos square A plus 2 sine A cos square A minus sine A. Then your answer will be, now look, this is 2 sine A cos square A, and adding this one together you will have 4 sine A cos square A minus sine A. So you have this, or you can factor out sine A into 4 cos square A minus 1. So that's the result for the word triple angle. So you have it, you can equally have it in cos and in tan. So it's the same thing. So again, you have half angle. Half angle here is like having something like 22.5 or even 30, because 30 can be half angle for 60. So 30 can be half angle for 60. So you have this one. If you have sine, we use sine the other time. Let's use cos again. Here you have cos A. If you have cos A, you can divide cos A into 2 as cos A over 2 plus A over 2. So this is half angle. Therefore, it's still subject to the same thing. So you have it like this. Expansion of this will give you cos A over 2 cos A over 2 minus sine A over 2 sine A over 2. So your answer is going to be cos square A over 2 minus sine square A over 2. So you can substitute also from our trigonometry identity. This one is going to be cos, that is cos square A over 2 plus sine square A over 2 equal to 1. So you can make any of them the subject of formula, like cos square A over 2 equal to 1 minus sine square A over 2. So if you replace this one into this, if you put here in here, you will have 1 minus sine square A over 2 minus sine square A over 2. So the answer is going to be 1 minus 2 sine square A over 2. Then again you have sine, if you express it in terms of cos, so you have sine square A over 2 equal to 1 minus cos square A over 2. So here you have this over 2. Then you replace it there. So what you have here is, so it will become cos square A over 2 minus, into bracket, 1 minus cos square A over 2. So you will have cos square A over 2 minus 1 plus cos square A over 2. So add this one together, you will have 2 cos square A over 2 minus 1. So you can equally have it like that. So that is it. You have them like that. So as I told you, you can do the cos, tan, and whichever like that. So it's subject to the same thing. So let's consider this as the following example. This one. Now look. Let's see. You know this one, the trigonometry ratio. Let's say you have an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is triangle that have all sides equal. Then if you have this one, like this one is 2, 2, 2. So if this one is the mean, is also 2, that divide this into 2, here will be 1 and this is 1. Since equilateral triangle, all angles are equal, 60, 60. So this place is 60, so divided by 2, you have it to be 30 degree, 30 degree. So if you have one of it like this, here is 60 degree, while this is 30 degree. This is 2. Using Pythagoras theorem, if the 6 is 1, then if you use Pythagoras theorem, this one is going to be 3. So you can have sine. So applying SOHCAHTOA now, that's SOHCAHTOA sine 30 degree is going to give you, if this is angle, this will be opposite. That's opposite over hypotenuse. Then what about cos 30 degree? It will equally give you, that's adjacent over hypotenuse. What about tan 30 degree? It will give you 1 over, and that's adjacent over opposite. Then again sine 60 degree, this one will give you, this is, if this is 60, this is opposite, that's opposite over hypotenuse, that's root 3 over 2. Then for this, for cos 60 degree, that's adjacent over hypotenuse, 1 over root 2. Then for tan 60 degree, that will give you that's opposite over adjacent, 3 over 1, so it's this 3. Then let's say you have a right angle, let's say you have a right angle isosceles, that this side equal to this side 1 1. So if you use Pythagoras theorem, this one will be 2. So what will be the angle? Since it's right angle hypotenuse, this is 90, this will be 45 degree. So again, you can have sine 45 degree, which is opposite over hypotenuse. Then you have cos 45 degree, which will have as adjacent over hypotenuse. Then you have tan 45 degree, which will have 1 over 1, which is equal to 1. So that's trigonometry ratio. We need all these things because when they ask you to calculate an angle, leaving your answer in short form, so you need all those things. So let's consider this example. Here you have, say, evaluate tan, tan 75 degree. If I have to evaluate tan 75 degree, leave your answer in short form. So let's consider this example. So you leave your answer in short form. So this tan, you can express tan 75 degree as what? Tan 45 degree plus 30 degree. So it's still the same thing. So you know what I told you the other time about this. So it's sine over cos. So sine over cos. So for sine, for the plus like this, so what you have here is tan A, tan B, but in this case tan 45. So you have tan 45 over this. So your answer, you can simply present this one as you can simply present tan 75 as tan 45 degree plus tan 30 degree over 1 minus tan 45 degree tan 30 degree. So what is tan 45 degree is 1. What is tan 30 degree is 1 over root 3. So what is tan 45 degree is 1. Tan 30 degree is 1 over root 3. So here you have your LCM is 1. This one will give you root 3 plus 1. Here you have this 3 in 1, So 1 root 3, you have 3 multiplied by 1. So it's root 3. Then root 3 and root 3, you have this, then plus that. Then divided by 1 minus 1. For the LCM also is root 3. So it's root 3. 1 times this is 3. Then here you have this one as what? Root 3 minus 1. So that's it. So here you have root 3 plus 1 over root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1 over root 3. What happens is here you have root 3. So this can cancel this. Then your answer is so your answer is going to be root 3 plus 1 over root 3 minus 1. So from here you can rationalize. So rationalization of this, you simply multiply this one by root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. Do that one is solved. So this times this, you will have 3. This multiplied by this, you have root 3. This times this, you will have root 3. This one will give you 1. Then this multiplied by this, you have 3. This times this, you have root 3 minus 1 times this one will give you 3, while this one will give you 1. So again you will have 3. That this is 4 plus 2 root 3 over this 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 0 minus 1. So you have 4 plus 2 root 3 over 2. So you can factorize. Factorizing 2, you will have 2 plus root 3 over this, cancel this. Therefore tan 75 degree equal to 2 plus. So that is it. Let's consider one example more before we stop. Here you have now what you have here is, let's say that if tan theta is equal to is equal to 7 is equal to 5 over 12. Evaluate sine 2 theta 1 2 cos 2 theta. Now this is what they ask you to find. If this is this, so what you are to do here is look at this. Now what is tan theta? Tan theta is, if this is angle, is going to opposite over adjacent. So you use Pythagoras theorem to get this. If you use Pythagoras theorem, what you have call this one x, so you will have the square of hypotenuse is equal to square of this plus square of this. So what do you have? 144 plus 25. So if you add them together, you have 169. So square root of both sides, this one will give you 13. So this play is going to be what? 13. Then now you want to find sine. You want to evaluate sine 2 theta, which is equal to sine theta plus theta. This is double angle. So what you have here is expansion of this will give you sine theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta. As I told you, add them together, we simply have 2 sin theta cos theta. So you can substitute. What is sin theta? Sin theta here is opposite over hypotenuse. That's 5 over 13. What is cos theta? Is 12 over hypotenuse. That's 13. So multiply this one together, 5 times this, so you have 120 degree divided by 169, so 169. So that's the answer. What about cos 2 theta? So this one will give you, so this one will give you cos theta plus theta. As we have expanded it the other time, you can have this square theta minus sine square theta. So you can substitute directly like that, or you can have it like this: 1 minus 2 sine square theta. As we have derived it, okay, it's no longer there, we derive it. So you can simply have the like the 1 minus 2 times sine square theta. What is sine square theta? Is opposite over hypotenuse. So you will have 5 over 13 squared. So your answer will be 1 minus 2 times 25 over 169. So 1 minus 50 over 169. So your XCM here is what? 169. So this multiplied by this, you will have 169 minus 50. This will cancel this, so we have 1 times this. So minus this from this, you will have 119 over 169. So that is it. You also you can try this. You can try this. Evaluate tan 15 degree cos 105 degree cos 105 degree. So you can do that and evaluate that. Thanks for watching. I want you to help us to subscribe to our channel. ask your friend to equally to come and look at what's happening there. You can introduce your friend to it, so they will learn. And you can tell them to equally subscribe, that any time that we release any question, any solution, or any lesson online, so you'll be able to have access to it. I really appreciate you. Subscribe to our channel. God bless you.